हस्ताक्षोनेमिः स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ओम शांति शांति शांतिः ओम अग्ने नय सुपताराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देव भयुनानि विद्वान् युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेन भो इष्टां ते नम भक्तिं विदेम ओम शांति शांति शांतिः ओम आब्रह्मन् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मवर्चसी जायताम् आराष्ट्रे राजन्यः शूरैषभ्यो अतिव्याधि महारथो जायताम् दोग्ध्रीं धेनुर्वोढान्नड्वान् आसु सप्तिः पुरन्धित्योषा जिष्णारतेष्टाः सभेयो युव अस्य यजमानस्य वीरो जायताम् निकामे निकामेन पर्जन्यो न वर्षतु फलवत्यो न वोषधयः पच्यन्तां योगक्षेमो न कल्पेताम् ओम शांति शांति शांतिः ओम आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणचक्षुः स्तोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वो ब्रह्मोपनिषदम् माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु अनिराकरणम् अस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ओम शांति शांति शांतिः ओम पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति शांति शांतिः हरि ओम नमस्ते।
Thank you very much that we are able to sit with Surya Bhagavan, who is indirectly present, Apratchat Rupena Sthitaha, and who is just trying to become pleased when we are talking about him. That's exactly what we call Saura. Suryasya idam Sauram. Surya is one of the aspects and executive forms of Aditya, who is divided himself into 12 forms. And we always do Surya Namaskara, and also we have the Tricha Namaskara, Tricha Mantra Namaskara, and we have Aruna Prashna Namaskaras, and we have also in Mahanarayana Upanishad there are two anuvakas or paragraphs where you consider Surya Bhagavan as the Brahma. Surya Bhagavan is all in all. Esha Adityo va esha etan mandalam tapati. So etan Surya mandalam tapati Surya. Aditya. So like that we have plenitude of literature upon Surya Bhagavan. We have Surya Ashtottaras Namavali, Surya Satanamavali, Surya Ashtakam, and Surya Sahasranama, which I try to give you translation of that Surya Sahasranama, and all that. So we understand that our Rishis are trying to perceive the great God, the great light, which is effulgence. And ultimately, Surya Bhagavan is so great, rather Vishwa, Savitru Devata is so great that he revealed his secret to Vishwamitra Maharshi, which goes in the Gayatri meter, and Gayatri Ammavaru personified, Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. So in this manner, we are trying to note down the mythology, the functions, the relationship, and the humorous life, and active life, and all that of Surya Bhagavan. And if Surya were not to be in the horizon, imagine how would it be? Idamandham Jayeta Bhuvanatrayam. Then, as Dandin says, the entire 3 words would have been dipped in pitch darkness. Jayeta Bhavanatrayam. If there were not to be Surya Bhagavan or Jyoti, the Surya Jyoti were not to be there, Aditya Jyoti were not to be there, then the world would have been a big problem. Therefore, in the creation, Surya and Chandra are created out in the universe, and Surya and Chandra are created in the beings also. That's what we call vision. So that's what we call Dhi. In fact, a professor, Honda of Utrecht University, Holland, has studied just the word Dhi. And he has written a good book on Dhi, giving the title as the vision of the Rigveda poets. So the vision. So Dhi is the vision. And that vision is Surya Bhagavan. Therefore, he is supposed to be the Chakshuhu. Chakshuhu Mitrasya Varunasya. And Tachakshuhu Devahitam. Tachakshuhu Sukram. And Tachakshuhu Ucharatu. So these are all the descriptive forms informing us how is that great God Surya Bhagavan. So Surya Bhagavan is the head of the department of the health care. That is Arogya Devata, Arogya Vidwan. That's why it is said, Sriyam Ichet Havyavahanat and Arogyam Ichet Surya Bhagavan, Suryat. And Vishnu for your sustenance. And like that, each god have got some prime duties to execute to all the beings in the creation. And they are regular. They are afraid of the cosmic law. As we see in that Upanishad, Bhishasmat Vata Pavate Bhishodeti Surya. So, Bhisha is one which will make the Vayu to blow. Bhisha, the Bhiti is one, Bhiti against anybody, not anybody. Arutam and Satyam. We are not to be afraid of our parents or uncles or brothers or anybody. But we have to be afraid of the truth, something like the train rails. The train, however speed or however slow it is, railway train must be on the railway track. If it were to just skip the railway track, disaster happens. So like that, Ritam and Satyam are two such great lines on which only the humans must traverse. They cannot take any deviation. And if at all they take deviation, it's a matter of great hazard. Therefore, that hazard should not be there. Satyam cha satyam cha abhidhat tapaso adhyajayata. So now we are in the 34th sloka and mantram, and from there I think I can continue today, because we have been noting down how more details about Surya Bhagavan we see in the 29th sloka, 30th sloka, that where from Surya comes up is also a good question. See, in the absence of Surya Bhagavan, the whole sky is dark. But from where he comes up is also an interested curiosity for us. Then we are answered or that in the Saura Suktam, he is supposed to be Ratrer Vatsaha. See, Ratri Devata delivers him in the morning. The moment he is delivered in the morning, that's why he is called Sadhyo Jataha. Sadhyo Jatam Prapadyami. Sadhyo Jataya Vai Namo Namaha. So Sadhyo Jatam, Sadhyo Jataha. So that is, he is instantaneously born, and the moment he is born, he is active. That's what we say. Another name for this kind of energization soon after birth is Sahasasunuhu. Sahasaha means strength. And Asusutshanihi. His Chana means activity. Asu andre quick. So there is no time lag or delay the moment you find Surya Bhagavan or the moment you light the lamp or the Jyoti Agni and all that. So we always make prayer to these two deities because the moment we come into consciousness, we should spring into action. There should not be any kind of laxity, postponement, etc. Action. That's what Chaitanya Shakti. ಆ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾದೇವಿ ಸರ್ವಭೂತೇಷು ಚೇತನೇತ್ಯಭಿಧೀಯತೆ ನಮಸ್ತಸ್ಯೈ 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 ನಮೋ ನಮಃ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ರೂಪಾಂ ತಾಂ ಆದ್ಯಾಂ ಶಕ್ತಿಂ. ಸೊ ಈ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ತಾಯಿ, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್. And therefore, we have seen that where comes he Ushasavupastad Rebhaihi Udeti. In 30th stanza, the Paramatma Surya Narayana, he will just get up from the lap of Usha Devata. Ushasavupastad. Upastha is the lap. Out from the lap of Devi, Usha Devi, he just gets up. And the moment he is born out, Rebhebihi Udeti. Rebha is Rema, Ray. With the rays of the Surya, with the plenitude of rays, bright, radiance, brilliance, thermal capacity, with all that, simultaneously, Paramatma is getting up, Anumadhyamanaha, and Devaha Eshaha me. He is our God. He belongs to us very much. There must also be the claimant for Surya Bhagavan relationship. Then all human beings at first claim Surya to be their first relation. Something like you call Prathamo Daivyo Bhishaku. The first physician is Rudra. Rudra is Aditya. Rudra is Surya. Therefore, when you attribute that, so Rudra is a physician, and even Surya Bhagavan is also a physician. He is also a surgeon. He is also said to be Arogya Vidwan. So Arogya Vidwan is a scholar in respect of the human knowledge or creation, health care. He takes care of not only humans, all animals. Gramyascha me, Aranyascha me, Yagne Pasavaha, Yagnena Kalpantam, the domestic animals, city animals and forest animals. Both kind of animals must be protected by Paramatma. And moreover, Samanam Praminati Dhama. So he will everywhere is equal and he is harmonious. He has not got any discretion at all. But he depends, that's why the atmospheric changes are due to him only. And depending on the regions, he is always there. That's why, as you see in Aruna Prashna, Nana Lingatvad Rutunam Nana Suryatvam. Surya is a highly flexible and adjustable God because the Rutu have got Linga. Linga means characteristics. All Rutus are having the characteristics of other Rutus. No Rutu is pure. That's why every Rutu has got the mixture of the quality or characteristic of other reason. Therefore, we are all told that Surya Bhagavan depends upon the Rutu movements. That's why he is also the cause to say Rutuna Nujyamana Vinanada. So he is the Vinanada, Rutuna Rutuhu Nujyamana, pushing one Rutu season into another season. So the cycle of season is automatic. You have set the standard for that, and you need not do anything for the season to change. You need not do anything for the body to change. It is just natural. Jayate, parinamate, vruddhate, and mriyate cha is the natural things. And therefore, you observe the Surya Bhagavan is Uruchakshaha Dure Udeti. ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರನೋ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಮೆಷರ್ ದಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸನ್ ಟು ಅರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ಮೂನ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದಿ exactness of the measurements. But people say moon is closer to American hemisphere and compared to the India or others. ಸೊ ಮೂನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಲೋ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ ಚಂದ್ರ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಉದೇತಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬಟ್ ಭ್ರಾಜಮಾನ. Look at it. If you keep one bulb here, it's only limited light area covered. But Surya Bhagavan, no limitation at all for the area that he has to cover too. The area that Surya Bhagavan covers is immensely large, immeasurably great. That's why he is also called as Aprameyaha. Aprameyaha andre prameya andre measurement. To be able to catchable through mathematical calculations. But I don't think Surya Bhagavan is within the reach of the mathematics. He is beyond mathematics. Therefore, he is Bhrajamanaha Dure Udeti. And Suryena Janaha Nunam Prasutaha. Definitely, undoubtedly, all people are urged, prompted for work only because of Surya Bhagavan. That's what in English we have got a proverb. What is the proverb? Make hay when sun is there. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗಲೇ ನೀವು ಏನೇನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಕತ್ಲು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ದಿ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಮೃತಾಹ Amritaha bhaveyuhu. See, people become immortal because of the presence of the great God. And again, I'm just trying to revise. Diva eti darsyatam vapuhu. Surya Bhagavan will come in the horizon, showing out his brilliant. Surya attend. And again, we see that Udutyad Darsatam Bapuhu Diva Eti Pratihvare. Adadmele 33rd sloka, before we go to 34 or 35, we have got to remember this God is the Sirshnaha Sirshaha and Jagataha Patihi, Tastushaha Patihi, Saha Vishwam Arajaha. And so the Surya Bhagavan is said to be the prime god of gods. So when you refer to mantras in the Rig Veda or in Vedic mantras, you notice that even the gods want to derive the benefit or the virtues of the Paramatma Surya. ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಸ್ವರೂಪವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವತೆಗಳು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸುಪ್ರೀಮ್ monarch among the gods, and he is to be with all other gods. Therefore, anybody would get the word Deva because of the support of the Aditya Bhagavan. And now in 35th sloka, you observe Devahitam Chakshuhu Tat. See, Devahitam Chakshuhu, that particular Surya Bhagavan found in the sky is Shukram Ucharatu. Shukram means bright, hot, heat energy, active energy, all that comes under Shukram. ಈ ಶುಕ್ರ ಗ್ರಹ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶುಕ್ರತ್ವಂ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಎನರ್ಜೆಟಿಕ್. And Shukram also refers to our temperature, body temperature, to continue to be 98.4 degrees. That is the Shukram in our body, and that has got to be maintained. So when that temperature and other features of our body is normal, then what would be happening? Saradaha shatam pasyema, saradaha shatam jivema, pasyema jivema. These are the summary of our life. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಪಶ್ಯೇಮ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. And we should be able to learn knowledge, because I is the only provider, absorber of knowledge. Yeah, that's why there is a pasyema is the power of retina. And if the antaschakshu, we call it, if there is the ability of light in our body, with the light in our body, we can see the light outside. If there is no light in the body, the other outside light is no good. A blind man does not know how good would be the light, how good will be Surya Bhagavan, how good will be how beautiful will be the fruits. Nothing, no knowledge, because the light falls on all objects. And when the light falls on all objects, we must have light to see the light. Therefore, pasyema. And then jivema. Jiva is the breathing. Our uchvasa nisvasas, the pranayama, should keep going until the last breath granted to us. Because that's why in English people, they say breath is last ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Beautifully, euphemistically, they say breath is last. And ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಆ ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಪಾದಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಪಾದಗಳು ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋವಾಗ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರದೆ, ಸೊ ಜೀವೇಮ, our respiratory tract or the uchvas and nisvas must keep going. Adi how long? Satam samaha, 100 years it should go on. And ಈ ತರಹ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮನ್ಹಾ ದೇವಾನಾಂ ಅಸೂರ್ಯ ಪುರೋಹಿತೋ ವಿಭು ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಅದಾಭ್ಯಂ. Adabhyam Jyotihi is another word for Surya Bhagavan. Otherwise, it's called as Akhanda Jyoti. Akhanda Jyoti andre, it will not at all stop, no intermission at all. So, Adabhyam Jyotihi. And also, he is Purohitaha. And the Purohitaha means he is the leader. He is the Purohit, priest for all. Because even when gods want to perform the yajna, Agni is the Purohita. Therefore, the very first mantra of the first mandala of the first first mantra, first sukta of Rigveda begins Agni Mile Purohitam. So Agni and Surya, they are the foremost leaders among the leaders. Therefore, he is called as Purasya Hitaha. Purasya Hitam Karoti Yaha Saha Purohitaha anta. ಸೊ ಪುರಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿತವನ್ನು ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಂಕಲ್ಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? ಶುಭೇ ಶೋಭನೆ ಮುಹೂರ್ತೆ ಅದ್ಯ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಪರಾರ್ಥೆ ಶ್ವೇತವರಾಹ ಕಲ್ಪೆ ವೈವಸ್ವತ ಮನ್ವಂತರೆ ಕಲಿಯುಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮಪಾದೆ ಜಂಬೂದ್ವೀಪೆ ಭರತವರ್ಷೆ ಭರತಖಂಡೇ ಅಸ್ಮಿನ್ ವರ್ತಮಾನೆ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಿಕೆ ಚಾಂದ್ರಮ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ, ಇದು ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ. And there is also Mahasankalpa that will be announced only, that used only when big functions like Vivaha, Upanayana, Devata, Pattabhisheka, etc. ಆಗುವಾಗ ಮಹಾ ಹಬ್ಬಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಹಾಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಮಹಾಸಂಕಲ್ಪಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟೆಡ್ that Mahasankalpa into English. And fortunately, I had the occasion to meet him somewhere, sometime, and he presented that book to us, which is in our library. And in fact, I want to put it in Vedaganga sometime. I don't know when I can do it. But that Mahasankalpa will tell you all, no suppression of the details or no abbreviations. ಪ್ರಭವಾದಿ ಷಷ್ಠಿ ಸಂವತ್ಸರಾಣಾಂ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ರೋಹಿಣ ಸಂವತ್ಸರೇ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಮಹಾಸಂಕಲ್ಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಭವ ವಿಭವ ಅಂತ ಸಂವತ್ಸರಗಳು 60 ಸಂವತ್ಸರಗಳನ್ನು ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ಹೇಳಿ ಸಂವತ್ಸರಾಣಾಂ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ರೋಹಿಣ ಸಂವತ್ಸರೇ ಉತ್ತರಾಯಣೆ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. The moment you open your WhatsApp, ನಾದವೇದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲಂಕಾರವಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಿಂದೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಹಿಂದೂ ಡೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇನ್ ಲಲಿತಾ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮಂ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ಸೊ ಪಾಡ್ಯಮಿಯಿಂದ ಪೂರ್ಣಮಿ ತನಕ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ವರ್ಷಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾಡ್ಯಮಿಯಿಂದ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ ತನಕ ದುರ್ಗಾಂಬಿಕಾನು ನಾವು ವರ್ಷಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟಮಿ, ಚತುರ್ದಶಿ, ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ ಆರ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದುರ್ಗಮ್ಮ, ಆಸ್ ವಿ ನೋಟೆಡ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲಲಿತಾ ಪೌರ್ಣಮಿ, ಪೌರ್ಣಮಾಸ್ಯಾಂ ಚ ಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದ್ರಬಿಂಬೆ ಪಶ್ಯೇ ಶ್ರೀಮತ್ ಲಲಿತಾಂಬಿಕಾಂ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪುರೋಹಿತ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಭು ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಸುಪ್ರೀಮ್. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ, ನೋ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಟರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಎನಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಟರ್ ವರ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್, ದೇ ಫೇಲ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಜಟಾಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಂಪಾತಿ. In fact, Jatayu and Sampati wanted to race with Surya Bhagavan. And you know the story. And beyond that, we don't have any second person who wanted to race. But we have only intermittent racing done by Anjaneya, Hanuman, because he wanted Surya Bhagavan to be the teacher and give him all the knowledge related to complete Vidya and Avidya. So Surya Bhagavan told Hanuman, "Hey, I have no time, I am always on move. How can I be a teacher to you?" Then Hanuman said, "No, you keep your move on, I keep my move before you, and we please impart knowledge." Therefore, we say in the Anjaneya Dandaka, it is said, Surya Mitram Bhaje, Surya Rupam Bhaje anta Hanumantanige Surya Mitra. He is the friend of Surya Bhagavan. He is the Shishya of Surya Bhagavan. And after education, Surya also gave campus selection for Hanuman. ಜಾಬ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೇರಿಬಿಡು ಸುಗ್ರೀವನ ಹತ್ರ ಅಂತ. ಸುಗ್ರೀವನ ಹತ್ರ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋವನು ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್. ಸೊ ಗುರುಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಲಿ obedient and sincere to Sugriva. And because Rama happened to be again Surya Bhagavan's friend, because he belongs to Surya in Inavamsa Sambhava, so bhai anta avrgunu seve madidane. Adrinda he is called as Adabhyam Jyotihi Vibhuhu Jyotihi. And now Sivalinga, please read from 38 to 3 more mantras. Or anybody? Srinivas Avare? Govind. Namo mitrasya varunasya chakshase.
नमो मित्रस्य वरुणस्य चक्षसे नमो मित्रस्य वरुणस्य चक्षसे
महो देवाय तद्रुतं सपर्यता
महो देवाय तदृत्सं सपर्यत महो देवाय तद्रुतं सपर्यत
दूरे दृशे देवजाताय केतवे
दूरे दृशे देवजाताय केतवे दूरे दृशे देवजाताय केतवे
दिवस्पुत्राय सूर्याय शंसता
दिवस्पुत्राय सूर्याय संसता दिवस्पुत्राय सूर्याय संसता
सामा सत्योक्तिः
सामा सत्योक्तिः सामा सत्योक्तिः
परिपातु विश्वतो
परिपातु विश्वतो परिपातु विश्वतो
द्यावाच यत्र
ध्यावाच यत्र ध्यावाच यत्र
ततन्नह्नानि च
तत नन्नानि च तत नन्नानि च
ततन्नह्ना विश्वमन्यन्तु
विश्वमन्यन्त विश्वमन्यन्ति
विश्वमन्यतु
विश्वमन्यतो विश्वमन्यतो
निविशते यदेजति
विशते ಇದೆ
निविशते
विशते
I am splitting it for your understanding, Babu. I explained to you.
ओके विविशते यदेजति विविशते यदेजति
विश्वाहापो विश्वाहोदेते सूर्यः
विश्वा आपो विश्वा ओदेति सूर्यः विश्वा आपो विश्वा ओदेति सूर्यः
न ते अदेव प्रदिवो निवासते
न ते अदेव प्रदिवो निवासते न ते अदेव प्रदिवो निवासते
यदेतसेभिः
यदेतशेभिः यदेतशेभिः
पतरैरर्थयसि
पतरैरतर्यसि पतर्यसि
प्राचीनमन्यतो
प्राचीनमन्यतो प्राचीनमन्यत्
अनुवर्तते रजा
अनुवर्तते रजा अनुवर्तते रजा
उदन्येन ज्योतिषा
उदन्येन ज्योतिषा उदन्येन ज्योतिषा
यासि सूर्या
यासि सूर्या यासि सूर्या
ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ 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 ಅಂತ ಅವನನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ದಿವಸಗಳಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇದ್ದಾಗಿರುವ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ತರಹ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಿತ್ರಸ್ಯ ಚಕ್ಷುಷ ಈಕ್ಷಧ್ವಂ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಿತ್ರನು ಅನ್ನೋ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮಿತ್ರಸ್ಯ ವರುಣಸ್ಯ ಚಕ್ಷುಃ ಸೂರ್ಯಃ and Mahodevah and Rutam Saparyata. So this Surya Bhagavan is the very eye or very support or the very brilliance of Mitra and Varuna. Mitra is the day god, Varuna is the night god. So night and day formations alli ಈ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಚಂದ್ರ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಡಲ್, ಈಸಿ, ಝೀರೋ. ಆವಾಗ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಅಮಾಕಿರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹೋಲ್ ನೈಟ್. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ anybody, the moon will not be there in the horizon. And again, all of them are abiding to the Rutam. And he is called Devajataha. So Devajataha Ketave Divaha Putraya Suryaya. So the Suryaya Samsataya, Surya Bhagavan is a very, very powerful, radiant God. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವನನ್ನು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ದಿವ್ಯ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮಾಣಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಶಾಂತವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಲೈಟ್, it is our duty to praise him, to acknowledge the good that he is doing. Who is that Surya Bhagavan? Divasputraha. He is the child of the sky or heavens. And Devajataha, he is one among the great gods. And he is Ketava. Ketave andre, he is having the immense kirana radiance. And therefore, that kind of great Surya Bhagavan, you please consider him as important and make prayer to him. And ಈ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ, the 39 ಅಲ್ಲಿ what are you being told? ಸಾ ಸತ್ಯೋಕ್ತಿ ಹೀಮಾ ಪರಿಪಾತು. ಆ ಅಂತ ಸತ್ಯವಾದ ಮಾತು, ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ must protect us all. Not only the wearer to be aware, what is the kind of protection to be expecting? That is Vishwataha Dhyavacha Yatra Anhanicha Tatan. So he is one Surya Bhagavan. He has Tatan. Tatan means creating or spreading. So Surya is spreading the day and the brilliance, all the places in the universe, Vishwataha, and also including the Akasha. So when sun is there, not only you can see the objects upon the ground, but also you can see the objects in the sky, also the sky itself. Therefore, there is no hide and seek with the Paramatma Surya when he is live upon the horizon. I hope you are all understanding how deep is the knowledge of our Rishis. Ordinarily, we cannot imagine all these things, but tapasa, so they are all great tapaswins. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮಹರ್ಷಯ ಧರ್ಮ ತಪೋಭಿಕಾಮಾಹ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ಯಾರು ತಾರ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಮಹರ್ಷಯ ಧರ್ಮ ತಪೋಭಿಕಾಮಾಹ. ಶಿ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಹರ್ಷೀಸ್ who are fond of dharma and fond of tapas, but still they have desires. Kama anukamaha pratabadha mohaha. So they have also the desires, and they are also bound by desires. Because they are bound by desires, we have so much of knowledge too. ಅವ್ರ ಪಾಟಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ತಪಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತಿದ್ರೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಅವರೇ, ದೆನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಗತಿ ಏನು? ಸೊ ಬರೀ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹೆಂಗಸರು ಆರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ವಿತ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡೋರು ಯಾರು? ಹಸುವಾಗತ್ತೆ 12 o'clock ಆದರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಿಚನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಆ ತರಹ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ವಿಶ್ವತಃ ದ್ಯಾವಾಚ and ahani tatan. He is just spreading the light, luster, brilliance, radiance, and heat energies in the entire universe. Therefore, because of the functional stability, ability, and greatness in Surya Bhagavan, we simply bow down our head. Namaste astu, ma'am. Namaste astu. Aya, ನಿನ್ನ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಫರ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಐ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಾಮ, ರಾಮ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಫರ್ ಟು ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಬಟ್ ಹಗ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ವೆನೆವರ್ ಯು ಟಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಯತ್ರ ಯತ್ರ ರಘುನಾಥ ಕೀರ್ತನಂ ತತ್ರ ತತ್ರ ಕೃತಮಸ್ತಕಾಂಜಲಿ ಬಾಷ್ಪವಾರಿ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣಲೋಚನಂ ಮಾರುತಿಂ ನಮತ ರಾಕ್ಷಸಾಂತಕಂ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ರಾಮನಾಮ ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷಾಸ್ತ್ರಗಳಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿರುವ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ತತನ್ನನ್ಹಾನಿ ಚ, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ವಿಶ್ವಮನ್ಯತು ನಿವಿಸತೆ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಿವೇಶನಗಳು. ನಿವೇಶನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಶಿವಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿವೇಶನ?
ಮನೆ ಮನೆ
ಮನೆ ಮನೆ ಹಾ.
ಇನ್ನ
ನಿವೇಶನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆ.
ಇನ್ನ 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 ಏನು?
ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆರ್ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್.
ನಿವೇಶನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಇವ್ರು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಅವರು ಲೇಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಚಂದ್ರ ಲೇಔಟು, ಜೆ ಪಿ ನಗರ್ ಲೇಔಟು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಿವೇಶನ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಲೇಔಟ್, ದ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದೇರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಈಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೋತ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಲೇಔಟ್ also for the house. Therefore, I think like that. You may be correct. So, Vishwam Anyatu Nivesate. So, he will be staying in the entire universe, causing areas and houses and people. And also, Vishwahapo, Vishwahodeti. So, our ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಶ್ವ ಆಪಹ, however many kinds of water is there, for all that water who is responsible? Surya Bhagavan. So in Aruna Prashna we get the statement saying that ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಅಗ್ನಿಗಳಿದಾರೋ all agnis are Surya Bhagavan. Also whatever kind of waters are available in the world, all kinds of water, that is well water, river water, then waterfall waters, tank water, and lake water, etc. You actually come to know some names of the kind of waters that has to be picked up for the Pattabhishekam, Samrajya Pattabhishekam. So in Somayaga, people collect 17 sources of water from 17 sources, keep them in kalsas, make them kalsa radhana, etc. And with that water, he will be coronated. The Raja, ಆಸಂದಿ ಮೇಲೆ, ಥ್ರೋನ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಸೀಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ರಾಜಾಸಂಧಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣರು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಗ್ನಿಷ್ಠೋಮ ಯಜ್ಞದಲ್ಲಿ, ಏಷವೋ ಅಮಿ ರಾಜಾ ಯುಷ್ಮಾಕಂ ಅಸ್ಮಾಕಂ ಸೋಮೋ ಅಸ್ಮಾಕಂ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣಾನಾಂ ಸೋಮೋ ರಾಜ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ತರಹ ಇರುವಾಗ ಈ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾನೆ, ವಿಶ್ವಮನ್ಯನ್ ನಿವಸತೆ ಯದ್ ಏಜತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಂ ಏಜತಿ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಶ್ವಾಹಾಪೋ. ಆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಹಾಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ನೀರಿನ ಅನುಭವ ಇದೆಯೋ, ನೀರಿನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಗೋವಿಂದ್ will put a question. If you read Abhignana Sakuntalam, in the 7th act, Kalidasa talks about the celestial waters, or he says that there are lakes also with Padma Sarovaras in the Antariksha Loka. ಅಂತ ಪದ್ಮ ಸರೋವರದಲ್ಲಿರುವಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಾತಾವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹರ್ಷಿಗಳು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ತಪಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ತಪಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಸ್ಟಿಯಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಮನಸ್ಖಲನ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ದೇ ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ದೇರ್ ತಪಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಂದ್ರಿಯ ನಿಗ್ರಹ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ದೇವತಾ ಸ್ತ್ರೀಸ್. That's why that sloka is very interesting, how far the imagination of Kalidasa goes. And in that kind of atmosphere in Antariksha Loka, the Maricha Ashrama was there. And that Maricha Maharshi, there Shakuntala was there. And with her son Bharata and Sarvadamana, otherwise called. So the story goes like that. So there, this kind of possibility is there, and therefore, yadejati vishwahapo and vishwaho deti suryaha. The Surya Bhagavan is not rising only at one place. There is the simultaneous rising of Surya Bhagavan at all places. Therefore, we have he is the timekeeper, time maker, time sustainer, and all that. That's why Surya Bhagavan is called Kalaha. Kala, Surya does not wait for ABCD to get up. Surya Udeti, he will not wait. That's why time and tide does not wait for anybody. And Surya Bhagavan is time and tide. Adrinda, he says, here it is said that Udeti Suryaha Vishwaha Udeti. So, Surya Bhagavan rises at all places. Govind Gottagide, there are 8 Suryas. We get the knowledge that there are 8 Suryas predominant. What are they? Arogo Bhraja Patara Patangaha Swarnaro Jyotishi Manna Vibhasaha Te Asmai Sarve Divamata Panti and Bharat. Andre, there is only one Surya visible in the sky at all places. The remaining 7 Suryas are invisible, but they are doing whatever that Surya visible doing in the respective 8 seasons. And therefore, there is no much disparity or difference felt by all people regarding the seasonal change. Seasonal change is always simultaneous at all places. Therefore, Vishwaho Deti Surya. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಅವರೇ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನನಿಗೆ when it is said that Surya Bhagavan is Akshetravitu ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಆ ಅಕ್ಷೇತ್ರವಿತು ಅನ್ನೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಋಷಿಗಳು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬುಡ್ಡುಪಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಘವ has mentioned there are around 13 Suryas, 13 Rishis responsible for the Saura Suktam. And at the same time, he has said that there are 26 Suryas for Aruna Prashna. So imagine for entire Veda, how many rishis are there? So thousands and thousands of rishis have been from time to time, who have been devoted to unearth the knowledge, mahima, influence, and the human healthcare or animal healthcare or the jagat or everything is being done. And moreover, the intelligence, he is the cause for intelligence. He gives such intelligence that sun's rays will constantly fall all through the year. For example, if you go to Konark temple, Surya temple in Konark, Bhubaneswar, there are 4 doors. And so 4 doors dwara, all time the morning, the rising sun's rays fall on it. And you can see the astronomical skills and knowledge of all the engineers at that time. Similarly, you have got sundial in Annavaram Satyanarayana Swami temple, where Shiva and Vishnu both are lodged. Very, very powerful Annavaram Satyanarayana Swami and Satyavati Devi. And similarly, so Shiva and Vishnu both are there. There you see sundial. Why to go far? In the Lal Bagh, I believe, they had a station built on sundial in Lal Bagh. I don't know now it is there or not, but long back, Govind should go and verify. The whole sundial in live are different because the desire for people is changing, and they are destroying the older antiques and then trying to build a new ones. Ultimately, Bangalore and cities have become concrete jungles. There is only concrete flat system more and more than the trees, all that. The other day they said, Deccan Herald says 150 trees were felled in India, in Bangalore, to make up something. Or metro hatloke athwa mane kattagalikke or flats kattagalikke. So we are all destroyers, not promoters of the happiness. So, but Surya Bhagavan is only one person. He is interested in the welfare of all people because he is bound by the Satyams and he is bound to be Akshetra with. Now recite the 40th sloka is Nate Adevaha Pradivo Nivasate Yede Tasevi Patarairarthayase Prachinamanyatu Anuvartate Raja Udanyena Jyotisha Yasi Surya. Ile Surya Bhagavan, ನೀನು ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ನೀನು ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ, ನೀನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ತೇಜಸ್ಸಿಂದಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ. There is no hiding. Is it not? So there is no hiding at all. You cannot hide Agni in your hand. Can you hide Agni? No. Yatra dhumaha tatra agnihi. So that wherever dhuma is there, smoke is there, Agni is there. So dhumena agnihi gnayate. So even when you churn the 2 aranis to perform yajna, then there will be smoke first. The smoke, then Agni will come up. So with that smoke and Agni, they start the yajna. Agni, Indhana. We have got separately in our Rigveda set of mantras which are called Samidheni mantras. So if you recite the Samidheni mantras, that is, they will generate fire out of friction. That's why Agni is called as Sahasaha Sunuhu, the son of Sahasaha, the strength. Therefore, you are just reminding Surya Bhagavan, Aya, you and Kanti or radiance or brilliance inseparable. Dhiyo yona prachodayatu tat saviturvarenyam bhargo devasya dhimahi devasya Savituhu Devasya Bhargaha Varenyam Bhargaha Dhimahi. We always constantly focus our attention and devotion towards the brilliance of Surya Bhagavan, the effulgence of Surya Bhagavan, which is unbreakable, which is constantly with him. And that kind of brilliance is to be adding itself into the brilliance of the human beings. That is intelligence. So the intelligence is the brilliance in the humans. And the intelligence in the humans could be developed, increased to an extent, depending upon the context and the work and all that. Therefore, Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. For example, the human intelligence is so great that it is able to discover or create aircraft, bus, roads, nature attractions, water, bridges, and dams. Oh God, what not? What is all these things but human intelligence? If you go to Tungabhadra Dam in Hampi, the chief engineer who was responsible for the dam and his statue and a little biodata has been marked, and everybody should visit and acknowledge and pay regards to that great engineer who was responsible for Tungabhadra Dam. Likewise, the surgeon is also very important in the medical field, and there is a statue of surgeon just before the gate of the, there was, I don't know now. So in front of the gate of the government hospital, Dharwad, and there was elegy praising the English elegy, 14 lines praising the surgeon in general, in principle, because the knife he wields to cure, but the same knife which a butcher wields is to mar, is to kill. So that there was a contrasting statements too in that elegy. I was so much impressed. So like that, is Surya Jyotishayasi, Aya, you are inseparable. You are having that. And Nodi Avarta Anuvartate Raja Udanyena. So both Bhumi, Prithvi, Akashagalu, Java, Prithvi, Ella Kuda, you are filling with the light. So the sky is illuminated, the earth is illuminated when Surya's Jyoti were to fall. That's why, and moreover, so like that, we have plenty of lot of information and practical information also, and knowledge upon Surya Bhagavan in the Saura Suktam. So we have to thank and acknowledge our gratitude to the 13 rishis who are able to be get the knowledge of Surya Bhagavan really revealed and pass it on to us. Unfortunately, people are not interested. Even ಇಂಥ ಯೋಗ ಸಿಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಪಶ್ಯ ತಪಸ ಫಲಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ಪಂಡಿತ. ಈ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದಗಳ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಅರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ರೆಷರನ್ನು, ಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಾರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಹಾ ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದರ ಅವಕಾಶ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ who are attending and our Seshachalaya recording and projecting in the YouTube channel, whoever it is, and trying to note down the eminence of Surya. It is not just a globe in the sky, a brilliant globe or radiant globe, but he is A, B, C, D and Z and plus. Thank you very much. Om Swasti.
Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryankaravavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, मार्कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ तत्सत्। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। श्रीवासुदेवार्पणमस्तु। श्रीवेदपुरुष आशीर्वादोऽस्तु। ॐ श्रीमातृचरणारविन्दार्पणमस्तु। ॐ तत्सत्। हरि ओम्।